Okay guys, so early May, North Shore, Long Island, Western Back Bay. I was fishing since sunrise using small shads, small jig heads, actually some weedless rigs because I kept getting schmutz on the hooks. And after about 2 hours, bucktails, 2 hours of bucktails and shads, I switched over to a small spook. I think it's a Rebel jumping minnow actually. I think it might be a freshwater lure with freshwater hooks on it. Because I was about to call it quits, and I figured if I'm not going to catch any fish, I might as well work a lure that I enjoy working, and I always like to practice, walking the dog and getting that right. So I had some success with it. I'm surprised. I didn't think the water was warm enough yet for top water bites, but that's another reason I put the spook on and not a popper. You can see I'm keeping the rod to this very low, and that's because I'm trying to keep the lure just below surface. So, walking the dog subsurface. And it's got a rattle in it, and maybe that's what drew the fish, because like I said, nothing else was working. There was a bunch of other guys fishing there. They weren't hooking up. I don't know what happened after I left. And it certainly isn't not because I'm a better fisherman than them. So maybe the rattle in the lure was drawing the fish in. Maybe it's that walk the dog action. But I got 2 hits within about a half an hour of putting the lure on. Lost one and got the second one. The second one was a really, really fat schoolie with a whole bunker in his mouth. So, all right, let's watch and see what happens. Oh, just got blown up on. I just got blown up on. Come on, come back for it, come back for it. Oh, I just got blown up on, guys. I just got blown up on. Holy shit. I just got blown up on. I just got blown up on. Fucking A, dude. Got it. All right. Fucking A, dude. First striper of 2002, baby. Oh, you cocksucker. You got off. God damn it. Fuck me, dude. Fuck me. Fuck. All right, they're out there. Spook. Baby, come back for me. Come back. One more time. Oh, that's a cast. Top water too. I'm so surprised. All right, time to go home for me. I gotta work later. Yeah. All right, this is it. That's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, this is a bay. This is my favorite kind of fishing. How about that? All right. I hope it's on. Stay down, Bubba, stay down. All right, not fatty too. It's fat. It's a big one. It's got a big bunker inside of him. Big bunker. Big bunker in his mouth. He's fat. Fatty. All right, hold on. Stay healthy, stay healthy. All right. Hold on, I can't hear you. 1 second. Barely hooked, too. Big bunker in his mouth, man. Wow. He's heavy. Pretty fish. All right, on you go, off you go. Hey, all right. Woo! Fucking A, baby. Fish on. Fish on the crankbait, guys. Fish on the crankbait. Alright, a little bit bigger too. Not bad. Not bad. Get you back. Safe and sound. There you go. Shit. Right there. Wow, that was a fucking tug and a half, boy. Holy shit. That was some fucking tug. Another one. Thank you, Bubby. Number 3.